Welcome to Comeju channel. In this video, we are going to see about treatment of goodwill when a new person is admitted as partner. Goodwill is the value of the reputation of the firm in respect of profits expected in future over and above the normal rate of profits. So that is called goodwill. Goodwill is the value of reputation which the business builds up due to its efficient service to its customers and quality of its products. Whenever a new partner is admitted into a partnership firm, the existing partners will have to sacrifice a part of their profits in favor of the incoming partner. At the meantime, the new partner has to bring some amount for goodwill along with capital. So, the goodwill brought in by the new partner has to be adjusted in the firm's books of accounts. Accounting Standard 10 Accounting for Fixed Assets issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India specifies some adjustments in relation to goodwill in paragraph 36 of the standard. Now we are going to see about in what manner the goodwill amount will have to be adjusted in the firm's books of accounts. Now we will see about one by one how the goodwill it will be adjusted in the partnership books. When the new partner may pay the amount of goodwill privately to the old partners outside the business, here no journal entry is needed to be passed in the books of accounts. The next is goodwill amount paid in cash fully by the partner. If the new partner brings cash for his share of goodwill, the same is to be shared by the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. In the time, if some goodwill may already be there in the balance sheet at the time of admission. So such amount has to be written off in the old ratio by debiting old partners' capital accounts and crediting the amount of goodwill given in the balance sheet. So the required journal entry is old partners' capital account data to goodwill account. The goodwill amount it will be written off in old ratio. For the amount brought in by new partner for goodwill, the journal entry is cash account data to goodwill account. The goodwill amount brought in by new partner for goodwill that has to be transferred to old partner's capital account. So for that purpose the journal entry is goodwill account data to old partners capital accounts. After having shared the new partner's goodwill amount, the old partners may withdraw the goodwill amount in full or in part from the firm. So, if they wish so. In such a case, the old partner's capital accounts are to be debited with the amount withdrawn and cash account is to be credited. So, the journal entry is old partner's capital account data to cash account. If the goodwill brought in kind of assets by a new partner, the asset brought must be debited, crediting the goodwill account. Then the goodwill can be transferred to old partners in their sacrificing ratio. The journal entry for assets brought by new partner for his capital and share of goodwill, stock account data, debtors account data, buildings account data, machinery account data to new partner's capital account to goodwill account. The journal entry for crediting the goodwill or transferring the goodwill to old partners is goodwill account data to old partner's capital account. Here the goodwill, it will be transferred in this sacrificing ratio. Sometimes the new partner may not be able to bring his entire share of goodwill of the firm in cash or kind. So in such a case, whatever the amount the new partner brought in is to be debited to cash account. The unbrought amount is to be debited to new partner's capital or current account. And old partner's capital or current account are to be credited with the full amount in their sacrificing ratio. In case the goodwill is already there in the balance sheet at the time of admission, it is to be written off in the old ratio by debiting old partner's capital accounts and crediting goodwill account. For that, the entries are to be made for existing goodwill. The journal entry is old partner's capital account data to goodwill account. For cash brought in by new partner for goodwill, the journal entry is cash account data to goodwill account. The part cash brought in for goodwill, it will be transferred to old partner's capital account, and unbrought goodwill amount also will be transferred to old partner's capital account. In the case goodwill, the journal entry is goodwill account data new partner's capital or current account data to old partner's capital account. The fifth adjustment is to be made for no goodwill amount is brought in cash by new partner but it is valued. Due to financial constraint, the new partner may not be in a position to bring his due share of goodwill in cash. In such a case, the amount not brought for goodwill is to be debited to new partner's capital or current account, and old partner's capital accounts are to be credited in their sacrificing ratio. If some goodwill already exists in the balance sheet, the same is to be written off in the old ratio by debiting old partner's capital accounts and crediting goodwill account. So the journal entries to be passed are as old partner's capital account data to goodwill account. The goodwill amount, it will be shared in the old ratio. In the case of goodwill not brought in by the new partner but it is valued, means the journal entry is new partner's capital or current account data to old partner's capital accounts. The goodwill amount, it will be shared in sacrificing ratio. The sixth one is hidden goodwill. Sometimes the amount of goodwill to be brought in by the new partner may not be clearly mentioned. The profit of the current year and previous year are also not given. In such a case, the amount of goodwill has to be ascertained by the following three steps. The step 1 is, first you have to find total capital. The total capital of the firm has to be found out by adding the capital of all partners in the old firm plus the capital of the new partners. Step 2. Find total capital of new firm based on new partners' capital. The total capital of the new firm can be arrived by taking the capital of new partner as base. For example, if new partner's capital for 1/4 share is 20,000, The total capital of the new firm will be calculated on the basis of his part of capital. So the total capital of the new firm will be calculated by 20,000 into 4 by 1. So the answer is rupees 80,000. The third step is find the amount of goodwill. The excess of the total capital of the new firm over the combined capital of old and new partners is to be taken as amount of goodwill. That is, goodwill is equal to total capital of the new firm minus combined capital of old and new partners. For that, we have to subtract the answer of step 1 from the answer of step 2. Thank you. Give your likes. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.